We've got kale, we've got spinach, salmon, goat meat. This is super delicious. It looks yummy, good for your skin, good for your immune system, good for the eyes, the bones. Look at how rich it is. Look at how super thick this soup is. It is called EDIKANGIKOng soup or vegetable soup. Stick around, I'll show you how I made this. If you're new, you are welcome. Please smash the like button, subscribe if you're returning. You are super welcome. So we need palm oil. We're going to be using palm oil, spinach or water leaf if you have access to that, onions, bell peppers, habanero peppers, Thai chili peppers, all the kind of hot peppers you have. And we have a salmon cleaned, soaked in vinegar, cooking vinegar and salt. And then we are going to go ahead and salt our fish because I'm going to be throwing this in the oven. I just want it to be dried a little bit before I use it for cooking. And next step, we are going to be blending up fresh peppers. And you go ahead and take off all the seeds. This soup, you see this soup? It is so yummy. Like, you just eat it, it detoxifies you, gives you clean, clear skin, clean face. You like your eyes cleanses everywhere. You're eating and you're enjoying yourself, but the food is working. That is what this soup is all about. You know, traditionally in Nigeria, it's called EDIKANGIKOng soup, but it's basically spinach and kale with some rich ingredients. And so next we're going to be boiling our meats. That's stock cubes and onions. Put a little bit of pepper, habanero pepper, and add a little water. Your soup is going to be cooked. Your beef is going to be cooked. And then we're going ahead to chop up our vegetables, our spinach. I mean, if you chop it as tiny as possible, the better, because, you know, it just makes easy access down the throat, right? But, I mean, do what you gotta do. And then in a pan, when you're done chopping your spinach, your kale, your pumpkin, your water leaf, everything like that, in a pan, in a pot, heat up your oil. We are beginning our cooking process. And then pour in your blended peppers. Give it a good stir. Let it sit on the fire for about 5 minutes. We want the sour taste to be all gone. Medium high. Put in your stock cubes, Maggi, Knorr, any stock cube you have, put it in. And then your onions. Yeah, I'm still trying to unravel my stock cubes. You give it a good stir. You know, for soups, we do not put all those curry, thyme. No, we just make it as clean as possible, you know. Then we're just going to go ahead and put in our crayfish. Yeah, I love crayfish. Love crayfish. It just elevates the taste and the aroma. And then my fish is dried thoroughly. Go in and put in your fish, dried fish, stockfish, any fish you have. Put it in right now. Go ahead kindly. Look at that. It already smells so good. And that's the goat meat I'm done cooking. If you're using cow meat, same difference. Go ahead and toss it in. And it's gonna be boiling as well. Just let it sit. This is the time you add a little salt, because you know the vegetable is super, you know, it's heavy, so we want our food to be tasty. We have taste buds, we want it to be tasty. So this is the time you add your salt. And these are these little tiny fishes I got. Hey, I just really, you know, if I take a little ball of my gari, my fufu, my pounded yam, I want every little ball of my gari to go with something like, you know, stopper, like, and we call these things like, you know, whatever must stop my food. Just take it with one piece of fish. You take it down through your mouth. It's so good. You know, you go ahead, you put in your water leaf or your spinach. When you put it in, do not add water. The water leaf sweats a lot. Put in your water leaf, let it sit, let it boil for about 5 minutes. And then you add your kale or your pumpkin. And that's the end product. That is it, guys. We are done. We are done. Please smash the like button, subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.